Hi everyone, this is Katie Heberling. I'm a math teacher at the high school and I'm here to review the state of our mobile learning initiative and introduce you all to an exciting new resource. 80% of people have a smartphone and 90% of millennials have their smartphone on them at all times. Schools everywhere are deciding how to adapt to this statistic. Is it something to wage a war against or figure out how to use in your favor? Statistics show that mobile devices are already being used for learning more than we may be aware, and more importantly, students are enjoying it. As you can see, not only is mobile learning changing the way students learn academic content, but also has the potential to teach valuable skills in productivity, executive functioning, organization, communication, and responsible use. At Palmyra School District, we have made it a priority to embrace mobile learning and see it as a way to greatly enhance teaching and learning at all levels. As a reminder, here's our current state with devices in our district. So elementary, we are K to 5, approximately 2 to 1 with iPads. Middle school 6 to 8, we are 1 to 1 with iPads, and high school 9 to 12, we are 1 to 1 with MacBooks. Now that we have devices in the hands of all students, we can shift our focus to exploring online resources that can provide the most meaningful learning opportunities for our students. GooseChase EDU is a web-based platform that creates scavenger hunts for an app of the same name on mobile devices, where students use their devices to submit image, text, or GPS-based answers. The types of scavenger hunts and the application of these scavenger hunts that you can create with GooseChase EDU are only limited by your creativity. I'm going to give you a very brief overview of the website from the teacher side of things. So here's the missions page, and this is where you're creating the tasks that you're asking the students to do. So here's just a few I had in a geometry vocab scavenger hunt. So as you can see, a lot of these are photo submissions. You can also do videos, you can do text-based submissions, and they are completely customizable. As the game is going on, there's an activity feed that you can monitor constantly just to be on the lookout for what things that students are submitting and deleting any submissions if you need to. There's a leaderboard you can follow as it's going on, and at the very end of the game, I love this submissions hub where you can see every single submission that was made. You can download them to your computer, make them available to share with your students, or just keep for your own personal use. And here's the pricing and the different account breakdowns for GooseChase. So I started with an educator basic account, which for a lot of people might work. Where I ran into trouble was you're limited to up to 5 teams per game. I don't like to have teams bigger than 3 or 4. So if I have larger classes, I needed to upgrade to this Educator Plus, which I did personally. If we decide to pursue GooseChase further as a district, then we can talk as a committee about whether we think this district and school-wide account is what we are looking for and what would work best for us. There are a lot of advantages to using GooseChase EDU in the classroom. My students love doing GooseChase. It doesn't get old for them. You can keep it fresh by varying the types of missions and the way that you use it in the classroom. It can be used in any subject area, grade level, or learning environment, whether it's pre-K up to adult learning, in a classroom sitting in seats, or freedom of movement around a school campus. Finally, I love the amount of differentiation it allows. You can create adapted versions to fit the needs of any learner. If a student struggles with text responses, they can submit photos. If a student needs a lot of movement, they can submit videos. You can have groups within the same class completing different missions, and they don't even know that they're not completing the same scavenger hunt. In my opinion, GooseChase is an ideal option for our district because every staff member can use it in some capacity, and it will get our students excited about learning.